Okay, you guys know how this hairstyle has been going all over TikTok. It's nothing crazy, it's simple, but she made it poppin'. And I wanna do it. I'm gonna do it. I don't care how crazy I look right now. Let's just ignore that. I know that hairstyle looks super easy to do, but come on, let's be honest here. Look at me. Look at my hair. Look what hair I got. Look. Let's not play dumb here, folks. It's gonna take me a minute. I'm gonna do what she did, but let's keep it real. I won't fool you as long as you don't try to fool me. Of course, we're gonna need some hair extensions. They're a little raggedy, but ignore it because we're about to bring them back to life. This is where we're at right now. Yeah, get into it, and we're gonna work on the top now. But I gotta say, my passport girl, Georgia, is killing it. Look at her go. Never deal with wet hair. Oh, ah. I realized what I said. I meant dry. Waxing it down. We gotta tie it down. Baby, my hair is slicker than the gods right now. I might end up bald by the time I'm 40. Well, at least I had plenty of years of being that bitch. Now the little fake pony. Bitch, it ain't gotta be fake. I bought it. A real pony. Now we're pinning it. And now we're spreading it. That's what she said. You could probably still see the clip, but yes, get into it. It's cute. It's chic. I like it. Go to part 2 for makeup.